journey begins at the edge of the world, where myth meets modern heavy machinery. We start by clearing the plateau, preparing the site for the Hydra's massive footprint. Precision is key as we terrace the cliffside to support the ride's weight. Deep digging reveals secrets of the past, remnants of creatures that once called this cliff home.
Every bucket of soil is a page of history turned over by steel teeth.
Logistical efficiency ensures the site remains clear for the upcoming foundation work. These pits will house the heads, the 7 main splash pools of our adventure.
We are literally carving the river's path into the bones of Crete.
Unexpected discoveries, like this natural grotto, are integrated into the ride's design.
We pause to preserve history, documenting art that has been hidden for millennia.
A clean surface is essential for the bonding of the coming concrete foundations.
This central hub will become the heart of the Hydra pool. Advanced tech ensures no further artifacts are crushed by our progress. We repurpose the cliff's own stone to create the ride's natural obstacles.
Verticality is what gives the Hydra its bite.
It seems we aren't the first to imagine a monster on this cliff.
The scale of the excavation is visible from miles out at sea. Mapping the subsurface allows for perfect structural alignment.
The ride begins to take its serpentine shape.
Each artifact found is a testament to the site's sacred past. Managing water flow begins with smooth, hydraulic-ready surfaces.
Nature provides the water. We provide the path.
Accessibility is engineered from the ground up.
The cliff has been transformed into a skeletal blueprint of the ride.
Phase 1 is complete. The Earth has been conquered.
Now, we strengthen the Earth. The concrete phase begins.
High-strength marine-grade concrete is poured to seal the Hydra's first head. Structural integrity is paramount in a high-velocity water environment.
Our reach extends upward. The crane will be our primary lifter for the stone blocks. We use local stone to ensure the ride blends with the Cretan landscape.
The Labyrinth base must support thousands of tons of masonry.
Steel and stone work in harmony to resist the force of moving water. Even the hidden areas receive the same rigorous engineering. This tank will hold the millions of gallons needed to feed the Hydra.
Aesthetics begin to meet function at the pool's edge.
The mechanical heart of the ride is installed deep within the cliff. Smooth transitions are vital for guest comfort and safety. Every stone is hand-finished for a perfect fit. We work around the clock to meet our engineering milestones. These pillars will hold the elevated tracks over the ocean. Multiple layers of protection ensure no water leaches into the cliff.
This is the steepest point of the adventure.
Solid as the mountain itself. Texture adds to the immersion of the seven-headed adventure.
The plumbing of the Hydra is as complex as any city.
We build for the spectators as much as the riders.
The base is set. The Hydra has its footing. Now, the Hydra grows tall. Scaffolding creates a temporary skeleton.
We wrap our concrete core in the beauty of natural Cretan stone.
Every wall tells a story of ancient myth.
Material logistics are handled with surgical precision.
Nature is already beginning to reclaim the structure.
Artistry meets engineering in every detail.
We move inside to build the twisting corridors. The local wildlife watches as their landscape evolves.
Wood adds a rustic, ancient feel to the modern structure. We control the water's path, even as it falls. The height of the ride offers a breathtaking view of the Aegean. The high-speed sections are integrated seamlessly into the stone.
We use materials that will age beautifully in the salt air.
Safety and access are designed into the aesthetic.
Construction continues in harmony with the environment.
The first finished faces of the Hydra are revealed.
We don't just build, we landscape for a living finish.
Character and identity are etched in stone.
The machinery that will defy gravity is positioned.
Guests can see the monster. Guests can see the monster from below.
We have reached the summit of our construction.
Friction is the enemy. A smooth finish is the solution. The structure is now self-supporting. The Hydra has risen from the cliffside.
The final details are what make the adventure real.
Water begins to flow in controlled tests. We create an oasis amidst the rugged rock.
Protecting the interior ensures a long life for the ride.
The site is cleaned, leaving only the masterpiece.
Lighting creates the drama of the deep sea. Instant aging gives the ride an ancient soul.
The adventurers have arrived!
A touch of royal Minoan gold. The ground reflects the bright Mediterranean sun. Precision timing is the secret to the perfect splash. The Hydra stands alone.
Gravity and water working in perfect unison.
The atmosphere is set for the adventure of a lifetime.
7 heads, 7 thrills.
Experience the terror of the myth. A view that spans 3,000 years. Built to last as long as the cliff itself.
The Hydra claims its prize.
Engineering becomes entertainment.
We didn't just build a ride. We woke a legend.
Are you brave enough to face the Hydra?